Hello, everyone. Thank you for letting me speak. I think today is a perfect example of how much masks inhibit basic communication skills. Like, I heard I understood maybe 60% of what was spoken in this room today, and I think masks have an influence on that. Just a point. Today, I heard you speak about bringing social emotional learning to our kids, but covering their face is actually anti-social emotional learning. You talked about the difference between elementary school, middle school, and high school, but what about in this case? It definitely affects younger children more than high school children. There's a lot of evidence to show that. While the community is respectful of each other, as we spoke of in here today, which is important, this is disrespectful to our kids, in my opinion. I say these things respectfully. I moved here, by the way, with my wife when she was pregnant, because we heard about the great schools here and the college participation rate. So I respect what you're all doing and the fact that you're letting us speak like this. I got an email in the summer that said that the school board was going to study these issues and look at the actual science. I got excited when I heard that because I thought that might lead us in the right direction. But in the end, we still made the decision based on the health department's directives or suggestions. What do we do when those decisions are more political science than actual science? They make a lot of decisions without supplying the evidence to support those decisions. And I think as educators, we all know how that works. If you look around and study the actual science, you'll see that there's a lot of controversy over these issues. So why are we only leaning one way on the spectrum? That should lend itself to saying, well, we need to be objective here. Maybe if there's science on both sides, we shouldn't make this mandate that only goes one way. Just maybe. So I implore you to do some actual research. And if you find that there's two
30
sides.
seconds.
Okay. For example, in 2017, the CDC estimated 70,000 Americans died of the flu. Why didn't we wear masks then? Should we sue somebody? Did anybody ever think of that question? Why didn't we wear masks in 2017 when 70,000 people died of the flu? It's a respiratory disease, right? Well, I think we should be asking more questions. I never thought that a school system in the United States would encroach upon the basic freedoms of our children.
3 minutes.
And I'm talking about the freedom to breathe.
Regina McLean.